Hi there, I'm Stephanie, and I'm a Zenfolio expert. If you're a Portfolio Plus or Pro Suite subscriber in the UK, you have the option to sell products through our partnered vendor, One Vision Imaging. If you head to success.zenfolio.com, search for selling it in the UK, you'll find a complete list of available products, which include print sizes, paper types, frames, mats, and more. Please note some paper types may not be available for all print sizes. Some products may be available to Pro Suite subscribers only. All frames include glass, and it's important to note not all frames will be available for all print sizes. You can view the product offerings in greater detail when setting up your price list within your Zenfolio account. I hope this information is helpful, but should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.